The past few months have been pretty hectic. The surf has needed some upgrades. Well, quite a few upgrades.
Just a little dab.
We've been busy with other things, other priorities, other adventures. But we're back home now. The surf is running well. We've got our tent on. And we're ready to do some camping.
Oof, it's rougher. These clouds are crazy.
Sure you don't want to air down?
You're the one who didn't want to air down. We are on our first camping trip of the year. Look at those cows there. You're currently in Ghost public land. Is that right? It's 5 p.m. We went out after working this Friday, and it's an hour and a half drive from our apartment. I'm just shaking. There was actually a thunderstorm and hail warning this weekend.
Supposed to miss this part, but those clouds say otherwise.
The clouds look scary. It's gonna be cold.
did, yeah. Did you see this? Somebody was fed up with their kitchen tent. They set it on fire in here. Or they're chairs. I don't know. Some scrap aluminum if anybody wants it.
The sun finally came out, you guys. What is it? What is it? So, this is our like camping staple. It's like sausages and sweet potatoes.
It takes a while, but you got the fire going anyways. So may as well just cook with it.
Hi, Coach. Good morning.
Did you sleep okay, Coach? Sleep through the music? Who plays music that loud? All night.
Cameron forgot his earplugs.
Forgot my earplugs. And there's no rules out here.
She's so excited to swim.
You're gonna go for some swimmies, Coach?
Daddy promised her that she's gonna swim all day.
Well, good morning. We survived our first night camping.
Yeah, our first weekend of camping this year.
Yeah. It was an interesting night.
Yeah.
We went to bed a little early. We're just reading up in the tent. 10 o'clock. We're like, all right, time for bed. Start dozing off. Around 11:30, these yahoos roll in. Like a super ridiculous sound system. It
Yeah.
was so loud. Just like constant bass all night.
Yeah.
And then it got really cold at night too. Poor Sophia was struggling. I had to give her my sweater as well.
And then he got cold.
Then I got cold, but I didn't have the heart to ask for my sweater back. Cocho can hear the birds chirping. She did well though. I think she slept pretty well. She cuddled with us to stay warm, and then when she got hot, she went and did her own thing.
But yeah, it was a nice night regardless. If Cameron had his earplugs, I think.
If I had my earplugs, it would have been fine. I forgot my earplugs. Yeah. Because you couldn't really hear it, right?
No,
with yours?
no, not
Yeah.
with my earplugs.
I usually bring them, and I was like, oh, I don't need them. Anyway, we survived. Just had a nice breakfast, bacon, eggs, and toast. And yeah, we're going to enjoy our coffee, hang out by the creek for the day. Cocho is going to get some swimmies. I promised her she could swim all day.
Yeah, she's gonna swim. We're gonna read and just spend the rest of the day here. We'll probably go home tonight.
Yeah, we didn't bring enough stuff. We just wanted to do one night.
Yeah.
Mainly to test out our new fridge,
Yeah,
which
exactly.
worked out pretty well. The beers were ice cold last night. The bacon was also cold this morning, so that worked out pretty well. We'll do a video on that, our fridge and power setup at some point.
Yeah, we have a new.
Got a new power bank and power station.
Because we're gonna try and do longer camping trips this year, and we are hoping to not use a cooler and
Yeah, dealing with ice packs just sucks.
Exactly.
And finding ice. Remember up in Jasper?
yeah.
There was no ice. Yeah, lots of camping to come this season. We're going to try out some new places. We're not going to do any paid campsites this year, we decided, so that'll be nice. A couple trips to BC, and yeah, should be good.